Alright, what is this? The FAHKNS. I gotta be careful how I say that. Sounds like a certain curse word. 3/8 cordless electric impact wrench. 400 RPM, 12 volts, 1300 milliamp hour battery, 2 sockets, 10 millimeter and 12 millimeter socket, and charger trigger angle tool. It's an electric ratchet. Here's the handling instructions, in case anyone's interested. Yeah, okay, no one cares. We know how to use this, it's easy. 2 sockets, 1 battery, 2 batteries, got the charger, charging, what the hell is this called? Charging plug. This plugs in. You got 2 sockets, in case I didn't mention it. 10 millimeter and 12 millimeter. No, 12 millimeter and a 14 millimeter? I thought it said 10 and 12. Yeah, it says 10 millimeter and 12 millimeter on the box. It says 10 millimeter and 12 millimeter on the box, but 12 and a 14 in the box. Oh well, who cares? Yeah, I got tons of sockets. There's the thing itself. I wonder if it's got a variable trigger on, off. It's left on. Interesting. It's a little tough to press this. On, off. Trigger. Feels good. Let's see what the hell this does. This will be like a 5-minute video. There's no reason to stretch this out. You can pretty much figure out how to use this. It's got a battery. On, off. It's got your reversible. It doesn't have variable speed trigger. 40 bucks, what are you gonna do? Turn it off so it doesn't work. Oh, it's got a, it's a safety to keep the trigger from getting depressed. And, by accident in your toolbox or your tool bag or whatever, anything like that, or anything like that. You can turn it off, because if you put it down, it'll probably drain the battery. But this has got like a battery indicator, which is cool. It's got reverse and forward. I'll be putting this to use. When I do my you can get various extensions to put on there, whatever you want. And it's a 12-volt battery. Nothing really interesting about this. You use one of these things, you know how it works. I wish I had a variable speed, but those are the more expensive $70 ones. This is like 40 bucks. I just need this real quick to do this job. Instead of have to sit there and ratchet away that stuff. You could use it as a regular ratchet. Just be mindful. You can use this as a regular ratchet. So but this is not. I'm gonna say this again, because people think this is to loosen and tighten bolts. It's not to loosen and tighten bolts. It's just to run stuff up and down. Okay. It doesn't have the torque to loosen or tighten bolts. It's not an impact wrench. Okay. You can loosen it. Put it in normal mode, loosen the bolt, or tighten, and then run it up or down. This is what this is meant for, running bolts up and down. So you don't have to sit there and ratchet away for half an hour. Or if you have like limited space, you can just run it bolts up and down, like that. If you're hitting stuff, and you're working in tight spaces, working in your car, stuff like that, it's not meant to loosen tight, fasteners and stuff like that. It doesn't have the torque for it. It's not meant for it, okay? So just keep that in mind. Yeah, so there you go. There's the, there's nothing really interesting about it. I'm not going to stretch this video out for 10 minutes for no reason. It's the, whatever this is. The FAHKNS. I'm not going to say it because it sounds like a curse. But there's the name of it. And it's the cordless, electric ratchet. So there it is. All right. There'll be a link in the description where you can get it. So you plug it in when you're charging it. Plug it directly into the battery. So you charge it